So let's start writing our first few lines in .NET, our Hello World implementation. So here is our Northwind solution, which we've downloaded and opened. Let's make sure that we build it before we start working so everything will operate correctly. And open the Northwind full solution. Great. Now that it's open, let's understand what are the moving parts that we have here. Here on the right, we have the Solution Explorer, where we can see our projects and our different classes in it. On the left is our working area, and more on the left is the toolbox where we'll get controls that we'll use on the UI. In our Solution Explorer, we can see several projects. We can see the ENV projects that represent all the source code that is generic across all of our customers. That's the ENV and the Firefly. And we can see the Northwind solutions that was split to several projects. Projects according to context. All the programs containing that are referencing to customers would be in the customers module, orders in the order modules, and products in the products module. Every module would have the controllers and the views, which are the screens for those controllers. Great. And the reports, if there are any. Great. And then we have the base project. In the base project, we'll have all the types and all the tables in the modules namespace. Perfect. Now we have the starter project, the Northwind project itself. We can mark it as the starter project, as we've done, and that's why it's bold. And this is why when we'll run our code by clicking start over here, this project would start. Perfect. Now in the Northwind project, there are several important parts. There is the INI that is used to run the application. That INI is copied to the resulting folder. We have the views, where we have all the menus that we'll be using in the application. We have the application core class, which is the migrated version of the main programs that used to happen in Magic. The code here starts before any other program that runs and ends after every other programs that ends. We have the application programs list that has all the migrated programs, their numbers, their names, public names, and how to reach them. And the same for the tables. We have all the entities here with their numbers and classes. This is a good place to go and find yourself around. And when the code starts, the first thing that runs is the program CS. Program main is where any C# Windows Forms or class or console application would start, and it performs a set of settings. For in this case, sets the global date, sets some keyboard mapping, loads the INI, and runs the application. Okay, so whenever your code starts, it will first reach here and then start to run.